In today's video, we will be checking out an AI tool that many students and professionals will find useful. Writing academic research papers and essays is a tedious process. Doing in-depth research on several different topics using traditional methods like Google search and ChatGPT can easily get boring. Luckily, there's an AI tool that you can use not only to write essays and research papers, but also to research, vet your essay, restructure, check for plagiarism, and most importantly, bypass AI detection if you intend to submit or publish a digital copy. I'm talking about HIX AI EssayGPT. I'll be showing you how this AI tool works and what you can use it for. So here we are on the dashboard. There are three major specialized AI tools: the AI Essay Generator, which generates plagiarism-free and AI detection-free articles step by step following the instructions you have given it; the AI Essay Writer, which you can use to edit an essay, append and rewrite sections of an essay, and check for plagiarism; and the Hicks Scholar Chat AI tool, which is used to chat with AI and get 99% accurate educational information. It's like chatting with a library of over 200 million scientific research papers. There's also the Essay Rewriter, Essay Extender, and Essay Checker, but we'll come back to these in a moment. Let's start with the first AI tool, the AI Essay Generator. I'm going to click on this tool interface, and this is what comes next. This box here is where you describe your essay, that is, what you're trying to write about. The clearer the details, the better the output you're going to get. For this first example, I want to write about the future of quantum computing. I've also included some important descriptions for this topic. In this drop-down menu, I'm going to select the type of essay. This is the style that you intend to use for the article. You can see options like basic, descriptive, narrative, and others. You're just going to choose the style that matches your essay topic. Next up is the number of words. We have three options here, and I'm going to go for the highest number of words available, which is between 500 and 800 words. I speak English, so I'm going to select English. Checking this box for undetectable mode means that you're telling the AI to write the essay or article like a human using natural language. After all that, there are two options to write the essay. The one-click generation, right here, instructs the AI to generate the entire article by itself, from title selection to conclusion. I want to be involved in this process rather than leaving everything to the AI, so I'm going to generate the essay step by step. I'm going to click to generate titles. Here's a list of some titles that the AI has come up with. I'm looking through this list right now, and I don't really like any of these, so I'm going to click on Generate More Titles. These are the additional titles generated by the AI. I like this one, so I'm going to select it and click on Generate Outline. The AI will do some research and come up with two outline options for me. I'm going to select one of the two. I prefer outline number 2, so I'm going to select it and finally click on Generate Essay. Let's give the AI some time to do its thing. And this is the final output. Here it says, output content seems to be human written. We'll check that out straight away. So I'm going to test this essay output on AI content detection tools. We'll use a couple of them. I'll be using ZeroGPT, Originality AI, GPT-0, and Content at Scale AI detectors. I'm going to come back to this article, highlight, and copy the entire thing for the test. Testing in ZeroGPT first, we get the result. It shows it's 0% AI, which means that it is 100% human-written content. That's interesting. Let's test it in the next AI detector, Originality AI. I'm going to paste it in here too. Click on Scan and wait a moment. The results are in and it shows 100% human written content. This is also interesting. Let's test it in the third AI detector, GPT-0. I'm going to create a new scan, paste in the results for a scan, and the result shows a 5% probability of AI generated content. This is great, and there's nothing wrong with it. Heading over to Content at Scale AI detector, I'm going to create a new scan project and scan the passage. The AI says it passes as human. That's okay. Aside from that, a glance through the text shows that there are more phrases and paragraphs that seem to be human-generated than AI-generated. I mean, all the text highlighted in green. So as a recap for the Hicks AI EssayGPT generator, head over to the dashboard and click on the AI tool. Describe your essay topic. Choose the essay type. Select the number of words you want it to be. Select the language, And do not forget to check the box where it says Undetectable mode. Generate some titles, select the title you like the most, or use your own title. Click on Generate Outline, and then select the one you prefer. Click on Generate Essay, and wait a few seconds for the entire thing to be generated. I'm going to quickly test the output on AI article detection tools. As you can see on some of these AI article detection tools, it passes most of the time consistently with a 98% plus probability of human-written text. The second AI tool on this website, which you'll get access to, is the AI Writer. Using this AI interface is so easy that a 5-year-old can actually nail it. This is just like every other text editor you know, but with an active AI bot in the background. So there are two major ways of getting started on this. First, you can either drag and drop to upload an already existing article on your device, or you can invoke the AI to start writing and editing an essay from scratch with just a few text instructions. For instance, typing the // command invokes this AI menu, which you can use to write an outline, titles, abstract of a topic, introduction, and even brainstorm ideas. For instance, selecting the right outline option, I will be given a few options, and I would select the dissertation option. I would provide the topic and hit enter. Within just a few seconds, you can see the AI has generated the entire thing. I can still go ahead and select more options to edit this article. For instance, I can click on longer to instruct the AI to scrap the bullet points and instead write the entire thing out in paragraphs. And here's the result. I can even ask the AI to try again, which means that it should start from scratch again to write the entire thing, and it's going to do as instructed. As soon as I'm satisfied with the results, I can click on done. The highlighted text is going to be retained on the text editor. I forgot to write the title of my work. One more thing, if I want to append this passage, it is also easy. All I have to do is select the entire thing, or just the particular portion which I want to extend, and the AI assistant provides me with a few options: rewrite, summarize, grammar check, translate, explain, and so on. To make the highlighted portion longer, all I have to do is click on Continue Writing, and a few sentences or paragraphs will be added to the section. This method of writing essays saves a lot of time and makes you more productive within a very short period of time. One more important thing to mention is that you can conduct very in-depth research using the Research tool and the Scholar Chat in this side panel. For example, I can ask a research question relating to my essay right here. The AI tool searches through its digital library and shows me snippets of research papers that likely contain the information I'm looking for. If you want to see the entire article, you can use the arrow beside any snippet, and you'll be redirected to the entire article. Also, while conducting your research, you can sort for exactly what you're looking for by filtering with field of study, publication type, and date range. When you go through the snippets and find the reference paper you're looking for, you can cite it in your essay by using the Cite button. Here, you can see the references properly arranged for you. I'd love to mention that whenever you're through with the essay, you can either copy and paste this article into your own workspace or download the document as a Word document or a PDF. Coming back to the original dashboard, the third tool here is the Hicks Scholar Chat. As I said before, this tool is like an AI-powered library with access to over 200 million research papers and essays. Doing research with this AI tool is similar to chatting with a professor in a specialized area of study, just that this is digital, faster, and more accurate than a physical professor. Whenever you ask a question, the AI responds with several different snippets from the different research papers that are in its database. You can keep asking more and more questions until you get all the details you need for your research. As I introduced earlier in this video, there are other popular AI tools offered by HIX AI EssayGPT. We have the Essay Rewriter, which does exactly what it sounds like. Rewrites essays to make them free from plagiarism. The Essay Extender expands on the already written essay which you have given it to deepen and broaden your essay. The Essay Checker vets and amends the way your essay is organized and improves the overall quality of the essay. If you're a student, teacher, or professional, you would definitely need this AI tool. Links are in the video description if you want to check out this tool right away. There's a special discount if you decide to register and sign up for a premium membership with the links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.